Honor has unveiled its new smartphone. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. If talk about the specification of this amazing phone, the new smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. This is a high quality chipset. And to give more power this phone, there will be an octa-core processor. And for best graphic results, there will be a GPU of Adreno. RAM will be 12 and 16 GB. And storage will be 256 and 512 GB. The camera setup features a dual camera system. The battery is massive one and that will be 6200 mAh. That's all for now and thanks for watching.